guys, it's Ginger. I am here with another unboxing. This is the Sephora Play Box. It is probably, well, a little behind because I think I received it, I can't remember if I received it Thursday or Friday of last week. But you know how things go. Things get busy. Anyway, so the March 2017 Play by Sephora theme is the Gleam Team. Stellar products are only the beginning. So you always get a booklet, and it has your play pass, and you can take that in and get tips and get 50 extra points when you buy something. So this always has tips and the reasons why they picked certain products and things like that. So I've been loving these bags lately. They've been customizing these bags. So it says, glow your own way. And these bags are great. Gift bags and things like that. You can always reuse a bag. Alright, so the first thing I see here is by Atelier Cologne. They always have a perfume in here that is in addition to, this shirt loves to fall forward, sorry about that. They always have a fragrance in here that's an extra bonus sort of thing. So let's see what it says about this particular scent. It's called Clementine California. Inspired by the California coast, this scent sparkles with ripe citrus and a suggestion of sunny, delicate florals. Fragrance family is fresh. The top notes are clementine, mandarin, juniper berries. Middle notes are star anise, Sichuan pepper, balsamic. Base notes are, there's sandalwood in here. I don't like sandalwood. Anyway. I'm very picky about fragrances, so I don't tend to use a lot of the fragrances that come into any type of bag. Alright, the next thing is something I cannot use at all. This is the Josie Moran, what's it called? Surreal Skin Argan Finishing Balm. I can't use this at all because I'm allergic to argan oil. Let's see, it says game-changing makeup and skincare hybrid, primes and finishes with whipped formula for a luminous ethereal effect. So it says here that you can either use it as the first or last step in your makeup routine. Press into the skin with a gentle patting motion using your fingers or a sponge. We love to tap it on our cheekbones or use for an all-over glow. Alright, I can't use this because it will make my throat close up. Alright, the next item is, and I've had somebody ask me if I had a nut allergy, and I'm not allergic to any other type of nuts, but argan oil. I guess argan is a nut. I don't know. Alright, the next item is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is good stuff. I've had it before. You get so many samples of this stuff. I think that I've been doing this channel for 3.5 years now, and I finally bought one, actually bought one of the full-size ones the end of last year. Anyway, so this is a little sample size. This is probably going to be a squeezy tube. Yep, it's a squeezy tube, where if you buy the big one, it's a doe foot applicator. Alright, so cool. We all know what that is. It does work very well too, and it's typically skin tone doesn't really show up that much. All right, the next item is, and that was in the original color, because they have different colors, I guess you'd call it. All right, the next item is the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. In Nude Glow. 2-in-1 moisturizer and luminizer hydrates, blurs, and enhances any complexion with a lit from within finish. This Hollywood favorite boosts the look of dry, dull skin with a light reflecting formula that gives skin a red carpet glow while also helping to visibly plump with nourishing botanicals. That's a new one. Alright, the next item. Oh, I have a sample of this that I have not used. This is the Benefit What's Up Cream to Powder Highlighter. So there it is right here. I mean, a lot of this I'm not going to get much use out of because I'm all about the matte life. Because I spent so many years being a grease monster that I don't even like using highlighters, because my personal opinion, it looks beautiful on other people. My personal opinion is that it looks like I'm oily when it's on me. So this is a champagne, it's a champagne colored highlighter. So I'll probably pass this on as well. Alright. And the last item is from Verb. It's called Ghost Oil, and I can't use this one again. It has argan in it. Can't use that one again. Alright. A transparent restorative hair oil that smooths frizz and delivers shine for sleek, satiny hair from roots to tip. Or roots to ends, it says. This is an Austin, Texas-based line. That's cool. Because the funny thing about it is that I have found that the only thing, because even though you can't really tell right now, because since I have these bangs, I've been flat ironing my hair. I have coarse, thick hair that frizzes very easily. And the only thing that I have ever found that works to get rid of the frizz was argan oil, but then I discovered that I was allergic to it. So, can't use it. Of course, it's the only thing that works. So I can't use this. There are two of them that I cannot use because of the ingredients. The only one that I know for sure that I will use will be the eyeshadow primer potion from Urban Decay. That's the only one that I know for sure I will use. So that is everything for this March 2017 unboxing or unbagging of the Sephora Play box. And give this a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxings. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already so you can come back and sit for a spell. And I'll see you in the next video.